Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you can tell, today it is my second video and we're outside, and you obviously can tell what we're going to be making today. Today we're going to be making slime, and you guys are probably like, oh my god, this is going to be awesome, it's going to be a game, but it is, because look at all that. There's so much stuff in here. It's packed with foam beads, pearls, glitter, like even utensils. So we have this bag. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 glues, one white glues, and 1 clear glue, shaving foam, old style baking soda
that we got from Dollar Town.
It's weird. Okay, don't ever go there, guys, because it smells like crap. Okay, and then some contact solution. But we need okay, anyway, so we're each gonna have 2 glues, and we're not gonna use all of it. I'm probably gonna use 1 container today. I'm probably just make 2 slimes. Yeah, 2 slimes. And then we're gonna have these little containers, and we have lids. Yeah. So I'm just gonna start making my first slime. So if you guys don't know how to make slime, I'll be linking like a Karina Garcia video down below. So you can either pour it out by the little utensil, or you can just take the top off. So it's got like that. Oh god, I thought that was. Okay. So I poured my glue in there. I want you guys to see it. Okay. Yeah. I didn't pour a lot, but that's how much I poured. And now I just added all of this, guys. Ew. What is that? Why would you? Oh, it's an ant. Ew, you're dying today, ant. Yeah. Okay, so I think there's like, guys, this is filled to the tippy top. So much stuff, guys. I'm not. Whatever. I'm gonna be adding you can't add both of those. I'm gonna add half of smileys, half of bows, and some flowers. Wait, what? And some glitter. Some pink glitter. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. We gotta clean this up. Wait, I want some. Okay, you can pick something and then put it up. Okay, y'all. We also have rubber bands here. I don't know why I use some of these. Yeah, I'm gonna add. Guys, these are super cute. So I'm gonna be adding my glitter. Oh, I wanna add some glitter. Okay. Where's the glitter bag? I think it's here. This is all the glitter we have, guys. I'm just gonna use the rest of it. Guys, we got this for birthday. Okay, guys, this looks super pretty. I'm gonna use. Look at. I'm gonna make. It's like totally. Can I have the rest of this glitter? That's a lot. No, it's not. There's another container of it. Okay, whatever. So I'm just gonna be mixing it. Guys, I have a lot of glue in here. I might just pour some back in. Yeah. I have a lot. So you guys can see, it just looks pink. Guys, pink, I need to pour some back. Now I'm gonna add a couple flowers. Yeah, it's good. Oh my gosh. Look like this is gonna make a mess. I'm gonna put in like 2 flowers. Ah! Obviously don't want the same color. That color, here, I want a red. Here, you can just see some flowers here. That is enough glue. It's not really a difference, but it's a difference. Yellow and red. Oh my god, car stopping. It's not. That's for our neighbor. Okay. We keep on like freaking out that our parents are gonna come because like we're gonna have to move. Y'all, this looks so pretty. Oh crap, I messed it up. But quick little glitter. Okay, that's enough glue. You know what? I'm just gonna show you guys the finished look
a little bit of this.
So,
you gotta like hurry up. Like,
I'm gonna fast forward us like adding our stuff. I'm gonna fast forward starting. Okay guys, so my slime is finished. I'm gonna add some lotion. So is my sister. They both turned out to be pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go grab the lotion. So here, I'll be back. It's fast. Go. Okay guys, so we had to readjust because something big just happened. So my dad came home.
we have a
3 seconds later, my brother came home, and then my
mom
mom came home. Like it took about a minute, and everybody got home at the same time. So I was moving stuff. We moved from all the way over there to over here, and I had probably just cut out 5 minutes. I don't know, but we're back. Okay,
So we got lotion, and I have this mixture. It's a secret mixture that my sister made up.
I can't really tell you. I mean, I can, but I don't want
She
to.
doesn't want to.
So
It always makes your slime better with no lotion. It's a really cool. It like makes your slime smell good, and it
Better.
also makes it like perfect texture for stuff to stick in it. My slime has to be sticky because there's like beads in it and stuff. Ooh, that's what I should do. So I need this lotion. This is the best thing.
everybody fails when they make slime, just in some way.
Not everybody, because we've been making slime probably for like 3 years now, and I remember our first slime.
It was a fail because you guys didn't listen to me and by the right time, and I told you.
We didn't think Tide would work, but
Well, I just added a little tiny bit of lotion. Now it's all sticky, but it's really good.
okay. So I'm gonna add some lotion. It's starting to get really close.
It's starting to get dark, guys, so should we just close up the video?
No, we gotta finish our slime.
Well, I'm pretty much finished. That's gonna make it sticky. That's gonna get super sticky.
So my sister's saying that much lotion is gonna make it sticky.
Hopefully that gets in a container.
It's not.
Should we make an ASMR for each of our slimes that we make? No, that's gonna be too much.
That's gonna be way too much, and there's gonna be cars passing by, dogs barking. The wind's gonna be in the background. There's gonna be motorcycles, rum, rum, rum. And
Okay, I had a cat on the
someone. Yeah, do you just want to make the other slime off camera?
Yeah. Okay.
So guys, I'm gonna be making her slime off camera.
Okay, guys, so that's gonna close today's YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And
Hopefully you
subscribe,
guys
like,
enjoy.
comment, share.
And we have my channel linked in the description, right?
yes. And yeah. See you guys in the next one.